The story of the three little pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who went out into the world to build their own houses. The first pig built his house out of straw, the second pig built his house out of sticks, and the third pig built his house out of bricks. One day, a big, bad wolf came along and saw the three little pigs in their houses. He wanted to eat them, so he went to the first pig's house made of straw and asked him to come outside. The little pig refused, so the wolf blew down the straw house and ate the pig. The wolf then went to the second pig's house made of sticks and asked him to come outside. The little pig refused again, so the wolf blew down the stick house and ate the pig. Finally, the wolf went to the third pig's house made of bricks and asked him to come outside. The clever pig refused and taunted the wolf from inside his strong brick house. The wolf tried to blow down the brick house, but he couldn't do it. The third pig was safe and sound inside his sturdy brick house. The big, bad wolf eventually gave up and went away, never to be seen again. The three little pigs lived happily ever after in their brick house. The story of the three little pigs teaches children the value of hard work, persistence, and wise decision making.